Do this and you will get this waist. 7 infallible exercises to reduce your waistline. Consistency and perseverance will make you look spectacular if you perform these exercises for waist. Having the figure like Thalia is possible if you perform these exercises for waist. Remember that even if you perform these exercises for waist is basic to carry a balanced diet and fat-free for results to be faster, as revealed by a research from Harvard University. To move that belt. 1. Touch the sky. Stand up, spread your legs slightly and raise your arms by tilting your waist as far as you can to the right and then to the left. Repeat 20 times. 2. Trunk lift. Lie on the floor with your legs extended and place both hands on the nape of the neck without supporting them so as not to damage the cervical vertebrae. It raises the trunk, taking off the chest of the ground, and returns to the initial position. The more you raise, the more fat you burn. Perform 15 repetitions, rest 15 seconds and repeat. 3. Have fun with the hula hula. Place the hoop at waist level and circle for 5 minutes. Yes, at first it may take a little work, but little by little you will be able to hold these waist exercises longer. 4. Move your legs. Lying on her back, with her hands resting on both sides of her body, she flexes her legs slightly and crushes them together from side to side without touching the floor 15 times. 5. Trunk push-ups. Standing with your legs open at the same width of your shoulders and your hands at the nape of the neck, you are going to flex the body to the front, trying to touch the tip of the feet and returning to the initial position. Repeat 15 times. 6. Elevation of legs. These waist exercises will help you burn fat faster. Lying on your side, stretch your legs and raise one as high as you can while your waist does not move. Remember that constancy is the key to success. Complement your exercise routine with healthy foods, this way you will notice results in a short time. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.